Welcome back to Busy Bees channel. Hope you all are doing great. In our today's video, we are going to see about phonics workbook. I hope most of you would have started teaching your little ones the letters and their sounds. While introducing the letters itself, most of the mothers nowadays they are introducing the sounds as well simultaneously, which is very helpful for the children and it's very encouraging thing, and few concepts in phonics as well. As a phonic teacher, after teaching each and every concept in the class, I used to send the worksheet and homework related to the concept, whatever was taught during the class. So those who are teaching to your children, you can go for these kind of workbooks which I purchased from Amazon. This is Dreamland Publications. Yes, it's Dreamland Publications. Phonics letter sounds A to Z. That is book 1. I have purchased 5 levels. And this is not a promotional video. These books I purchased for my daughter and I found it's very colorful, very useful for the little ones. That's why I thought of sharing with you all. Let me show you what's there in 5 levels and about the book. Okay, come on. Now let's start with the first book, that is level 1, book 1. You can also call it as level 1, as here we have the worksheets covered based on the letter sounds A to Z. Okay, in this book we have phonics letter sounds A to Z. This is called as book 1. Here in content page, I am showing you the content page so that you can get a better idea what is there in this book, because I am not going page wise. I am skipping few pages in between. Here, this is the order of lessons. That's what A, B, that is the sounds. After teaching the sounds till A to L, you have a worksheet based on the sounds. Simple worksheets according to their age level. And then from M to Z, and here is the introduction part. Here they explain what is phonics and why it is very important for the children. The sounds and the 26 letters of alphabet. The study of sounds of English letters is called phonics. That is the introduction they have given, and the colorful pages, and the pages also is like oil pages, which is very shiny and very soft, where the little ones get attracted so much. Instead of spending a lot of time on screen, you can buy these kind of workbooks for them. Not only for phonics, also for math and other subjects, you can engage them by these kind of activities books. And here you have match the following. I'm just not going page wise. I'm skipping few pages as well. If you want page wise, you post me in the comment box. Each and every level I will post you the video as per the page. And I feel it's very good book for the little ones. You also go through, there are a lot of activity books online also you can get, or in your nearby stationery shops also you can go for it. During this pandemic situation, we have to help ourselves. As we all work from home, let them also learn from home. Instead of spending a lot of time on screen, let them do some activity. Let them look at the picture, learn and solve the activity sheets. So these are few pages. Here you have coloring kind of things, matching and tracing for the little ones. As this is book 1, the level 1, we consider it as level 1. The level 1 book consists of 26 letter sounds. Those who know 26 letter sounds and those who have done a lot of activities, you can go for level 2 as well. I am showing you level 2 book, that is book 2. Here you have short vowel sounds. As you all know, short vowel sounds are nothing but the letters. The vowels will say their sounds instead of saying their names. This is the content page. And the orders of lessons are add words, app words, at words, add words, egg words. And after each and every 4 chapters, they have a revision worksheets as well. So here is the introduction page. This is a continuity of book 1, that is level 1. Those who feel that the level 1 is not, it's not required for my child, you can go for level 2. And after level 2 book, that is book 2, I will also show the level 3 book, that is book 3. If you want to purchase the level 3 alone also, you can purchase it. As my daughter is very young, I want to start from the basic sounds, so I have purchased all the 5 books. It's not required the same thing for everyone. There are a lot of other books as well, very good books on the market. You can review, you can go through it, see the reviews and purchase according to your need. And in level 2 you have these kind of fill in the blanks as well. And here you have blends. Once they know the sounds of the letters here, then the children will slowly, they will start to blend the sounds and say, read out the words like h, I, p, hip, s, I, t, sit, like this. They will blend the sounds. Knowing the sound separately is not important. The next level is obviously blending. They should know to blend and read. So based on the blends, you have few worksheets also here. Don't skip the video in between. Already I am skipping a lot of pages. If you continuously watch the video only, you will have an idea. I will also post the link of this book, Amazon link, in the description box. If you want to buy, you can buy that. It doesn't mean you have to buy the same thing. There are a lot of good books on the market. You can go through it and you can purchase it. All the books, they have 96 pages. Each book costs 300 rupees, but when I purchased for 5 books together, it cost around 880 rupees for me. And this is book 3. Here we have long vowel sounds. I hope you all know what is long vowel sounds. Long vowel sounds is nothing but the vowels will take their names. Instead of saying their sounds, they will say their name. So this is the order of lessons. As usual, in all the books, they do have a order of lessons in the first page after the content page, and there is an introduction page. In book 2 we have learnt about short vowel, that is they used to say the vowels which say their name sounds. Here in this book we are going to deal about long vowel sounds, that is the long vowel sounds are nothing but the vowels will say their names. So here we have to apply all the magic key concepts, but the magic key concepts is not included in this. But while teaching the long vowel sound, you should explain, you should be able to explain why it takes why the vowel is not sounding its sound, it's saying its name. You should explain that to the little ones. If you want to check the magic key rule also, I will post that link also in the description box. Go through it and you can teach your little ones. If they are clear in the phonics concepts, then it's very easy for them. They need not to by heart the spellings in future. They can frame their own spellings and they know the reasons why the E is sitting at the end of the word but it's not sounding. They should know the reason. Yeah, we have these kind of time to chant. Some passages are given based on the words. And you have all these kind of activities, puzzles, maze, everything is there. After each and every concept, they have given a worksheet, a compiled worksheet. As I said, all the books, they have 96 pages. Now let's move on to book 4. That is double letter consonant sound. That is nothing but it's a blend. We will call it as blends. Double letter consonant sounds. This is the proper, I found this book as very proper according to the syllabus of the phonics it goes on. If you go for Jolly Phonics books, they are too expensive. This I found this as very affordable, and also they follow the syllabus as per how to go step by step, level wise, in level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. Everything is followed perfectly. That's why I recommend this book. Here we do have a introduction page as usual. Here in this book, the book 4 covers all the blends, that is consonant blends, and also the digraphs. The digraphs are nothing but two different letters. They form together, they join together and they form a different sound. That is called digraph. Here we will see all the blends and digraphs. The blending words, there are a lot of examples they have given, and also the worksheets also have been attached to it according to the concepts. After teaching each and every concept, they can also practice on this, so that they will, the practice only will make them to learn the concept and remember the concept throughout the years. Just by teaching is not going to help them out. Whatever the concept is taught, then and they have to do the worksheets simultaneously. So here also we do have a lot of blends, examples for blends, that is consonant blends. And we also do have digraphs here, like sh, ch, all those digraphs we have here, and the worksheets based on those concepts. So I'm just turning, I'm not showing all the pages as I said. So while coming to book 4, slowly they will start reading simple sentence, and they can solve the worksheets by themselves without your supervision or your help. But you first allow the children to think and do it on their own. Though most of the parents nowadays, we used to pamper the kids a lot. Don't do that. Let them try on their own. If not possible, then you can give them a helping hand. Okay. Now the book 5, the level 5, double letter vowel sounds, double letters vowel sound. There is a proverb like, not proverb, I'm sorry. There is a rule like, when two vowels are walking together, the first one does the talking and the second one remains silent. And the first one will talk, but it will say its name, not its sound. Okay, that is like long vowel sound. Here you have AI, which says A, all the long vowel sounds. All the long vowel sounds, that is double vowels. All these we will be covered in level 5. After completion of level 4, you can see a good difference in your children. They will understand, they will know the concept, how it works. And here we have so many of exercises as well. After completion of each and every concept, they have given multiple exercises, so that let them solve on their own. Let them think, let them understand the concept, let them go through it, let them solve it by themselves. And practice reading every day practice reading. Apart from all these things, before going to bed, have a collection of storybooks. Ask your child to pick one storybook on their own. You can read aloud for them, or you can encourage your children to read if they are above 5+. If they are little ones also, from age 2 or 3, from the infant stage itself, you can start reading books for them. That is a very good habit. And here you have fill in the blanks. Let them read the questions. Most of the time we used to read the questions and they will find out the answer. Don't do that. Please let them read the question by themselves. If they are not able to, then you have to go back and you have to revise where they are struggling to read, why they are struggling to read. And you can solve that, and then you can make them to read the question and let them answer by their own. Okay, hope this video is very useful for you all. Please subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. If you want page-wise video also, please comment me. I will post it as a separate video. This is not a promotional video. I purchased this book for my books for my daughter, and I found it very colorful, very useful for the children. All the concepts are very nicely they have covered it. That's why I recommend these books to you all. Hope this video is very useful to you all. Please do subscribe our channel, and also please press the bell button so that you will get all the notification. Thank you. Bye.